SKE4 Neptronic Resistive Electric Steam Humidifier. Programming, service, maintenance, troubleshooting. Power on the humidifier at the main disconnect switch or at the breaker. The humidifier has its own manual disconnect switch located at the bottom right of the front panel. Turn it on. Press and hold for several seconds the power on-off button at the lower left of the display. The LED on the front of the display will light up blue. Observe the idle screen display. The present state will show whether the humidifier is filling, draining, heating, or boiling. If the humidifier happens to be in an alarm condition, the type of alarm is displayed on the screen and the alarm LED is flashing red. Here we've simulated a high temperature alarm. A description of why an alarm has occurred and the method used to reset alarms will be reviewed shortly. The humidity demand coming from the humidity controller or from the building automation system is between 0% to 100%. Right now there is a 60% demand. The control state features the security circuit. A normal reading signifies that the security circuits, including the airflow switch circuit, the high limit humidity controller circuit, and the interlock circuit are all closed. If a circuit is open, the control state will read either no airflow, or high limit, or interlock, and the state of operation is in the idle mode. The humidifier is not operating and on standby. This condition resets automatically when the security circuits are all closed and the control state then reverts to normal. The humidifier is now operational. When on the idle screen, press the menu button to light up the screen, then the Enter button located at the center of the display. This will take us to the Login screen, where we can access several submenus by entering their passwords. Let's get started by entering the installation menu Level 4 with the password 4433. With the plus and minus buttons, locate each numeral and press the Enter button after each numeral. Once in Level 4, go to Installation and press Enter. Then go to Control, press Enter, and to Control Profile, enter it, and now check the control profile. This can be either external analog, external network, internal analog, or internal network.